Looking to breathe new life into your HP ProDesk? Today we're checking out the LXun D16-250P1A power supply, a 250W unit designed as a compatible replacement for several HP models. Specifically, this power supply is advertised to work with the ProDesk 280, 282, 600, and 800G3 series, as well as the 480 and 400G4. It's also compatible with HP LXun D16-250P1A. One of the key selling points is its wide range of replaceable part numbers. LXun claims this unit can replace the PCH022, PCG002, D16-250P1A, 901760-002, 901760-004, 901761-001, 901761-002, 901761-003, 901762-002, 901763-001, 901763-002, 901-764-003, 901-765-003, 901-771-004, 901-771-003, 901-771-002, 922-456-001, L08261-002, L08417-002, L08417-004, 901-762-004, PCG004, and P007 power supplies. That's a lot of numbers, so double-check your existing power supply to ensure compatibility before purchasing. The LXun D16-250P1A features an AC input of 100-240V at 3A, operating at 50 to 60 Hz. It provides a maximum output of 250W. The DC output is listed as plus 12.1V at 16A for both the standard and CPU connections. Connector-wise, you're getting a 4-pin, another 4-pin, and a 7-pin connector. LXun offers a 1-year warranty, which is always reassuring. However, they emphasize the importance of visually matching the power supply to your old one. Even if your computer model is listed as compatible, discrepancies can exist, so take a close look at the pictures before you buy. Inside the box, you'll find just the D16-250P1A 250W power supply itself. LXun states that each power supply undergoes strict quality inspection before leaving the factory.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.